To access Klarna Pay in 4, start by ensuring you have a Klarna account. If you don't have one, you can create it by going to the Klarna website or mobile app and following the sign-up process. Once you have an account, make sure you are eligible for Pay in 4 by checking your account dashboard. Next, find a merchant that accepts Klarna Pay in 4. Thousands of online stores offer this payment option, so you can shop at your favorite retailers and split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments. When you are ready to check out, select Klarna as your payment method and choose Pay in 4. You will then be asked to log in to your Klarna account or create one if you don't have it. After logging in, you will see the payment schedule and the amount you will pay every 2 weeks. Review the terms and conditions carefully before confirming your payment. Klarna will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for Pay in 4. This check will not affect your credit score. If you are approved, you will receive a confirmation and your purchase will be processed. To make your payments, you can log in to your Klarna account and click on the payment option. You can also set up automatic payments so you never miss a payment. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. Klarna Pay in 4 is a convenient and flexible payment option that allows you to shop now and pay later. By following these steps, you can access Pay in 4 and enjoy interest-free payments. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and make your payments on time to get the most out of this payment option.